As a criminal defense lawyer, I get calls every day from people asking, how do I get a pardon from the California governor? How do I secure a pardon? So I'm going to talk about this today. Now, first of all, what are the benefits of a pardon? And the benefits are significant. So if you're convicted of an offense that requires you to be a registered sex offender for life, many times a pardon will allow you to end sex registration and sort of get off Megan's list. Also, many times it will restore your gun rights. Quite often it will help you in securing employment and state licenses. And certainly there's a lot of personal satisfaction to being pardoned from a prior criminal conviction. So that's the good news. The good news is that there's a lot of benefits to getting a pardon. The bad news is it can be difficult to achieve. Now, really, there are two ways to get a pardon. There's two sort of roads to securing it. The first is through a certificate of rehabilitation. So if you qualify to get a certificate of rehabilitation from the Superior Court, then that's where you need to start. You need to file your petition, and if the Superior Court judge grants you a certificate of rehabilitation, then that is automatically forwarded to the governor's office as a petition for a pardon. Now, really, that's going to be your best chance of actually getting a pardon, because if the Superior Court says, look, we've examined this person's situation and we feel that he has been rehabilitated, then it's going to be much easier for the governor's office to sign off on it and say, okay, well, we'll give him a pardon in addition to his certificate. But there are some people who don't qualify for a certificate of rehabilitation, either because they were convicted of certain offenses that are ineligible, such as certain sex offenses, or because they no longer reside in the state of California. And if you're one of those people, then you need to apply directly to the governor's office. So you sort of circumvent the certificate of rehabilitation and do what's called a direct application for a pardon. So the road is difficult. Many people are unsuccessful, but if you are successful, if you do get a pardon, then there's certainly a lot of great benefits to it.